Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and I'm here with a collection update. So I was able to shelve some of my figures, and man, does it look more spacious now that I can spread them out. I love it. But I don't have them all unpacked just yet. This is just a majority of them. I've still got 2 shelves allotted for the rest, but we can take a closer look here. The top shelf, I've kind of got more random assortment of Lost World and some of the newer Jurassic Park Hasbro stuff, and then the JP3 assortment as well. I just got my kind of fence pieces unboxed, so I don't know where I'm going to put them. I'll probably just put some of the fences back there and on these lower shelves here in the back. So here we got more of the Lost World figures, the steel beak, or whatever. I've got the capture gear for the snout, but I can't remember where I put it. On the beautiful paras, some figures, some of the like more obscure Jurassic dinosaurs lineup or whatever. And then we've got more Lost World, some complete stuff like the Stegosaurus, the young Rex, or is it juvenile Rex? Whatever. And then we got the capture gear on the Pachycephalosaur, one of the vehicles. I've always wanted the Humvee, but I should have tracked it down when I was younger. I never got around to getting it. Now it's kind of more rare. We got my only Chaos Effect piece. I really want to collect more. But again, I never got around to it because Mattel just keeps pumping out figures, like loads of figures. And then I did manage to scoop up the complete Jurassic Park 3 human lineup, and I'm really happy I did because it's absolutely ballers. I love those figures. And I think I got the complete Raptor set with like the missile and the front gates and that green raptor right there, but it's just missing the flames. That's it. It's like the only piece. I'll do a separate video for the Jurassic Park Kenner stuff. Okay, so yeah, and most of these guys, I think the electronics work. I took the batteries out of the Spinosaurus because I didn't want them to, wreck it or anything. It's my custom painted Chomping Rex. I didn't have anywhere to put it. I didn't really want to put it with my Mattel stuff, so I thought it would look good next to the Spinosaurus. This was a score. Got this for Christmas a while back, but it's complete with the survival pod, which is really neat. You can click that open, and the guy inside is kind of stuck in there. Has these folding wings, I guess, to like stop it from getting eaten, or maybe cut it out of the stomach. I wonder if the electronics still work. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, look at the details too. Some of the teeth are broken. Nice. Yeah, so I definitely want to complete some of these collections sooner than later. So I might just hold off on Mattel for a while because, oh my god, they don't stop making figures, and I just keep like buying and buying to catch up, and I've kind of been lacking on my classics, which kind of sucks, but that's just how it be. I've got complete Stego, Baby Rex, Pachycephalosaur, Steelbeak's complete, the Biker Dude, so happy to get that one. Again, also for Christmas a long while back. Love the dirt paint job on it. Very cool. This vehicle was fun to buy. I got it at a used toy show on Vancouver Island for like a really decent price. It was like $25 or something. And I keep finding these young Rexes in like flea markets and thrift stores. So I got 2 of those. Loads of that Pteranodon, they're everywhere. Well, they were everywhere back in the day. Yeah, so that's just one of my shelves. I've got some backings here just to, I don't know, make it a little cooler, I guess. I'm so dumb. When I was a kid, I found these for $1 each, and they had a whole table of them, but I decided to buy one of each and not all of them because I don't know why. I wasn't like big on collecting back then, and I was dumb, and I should have bought the rest, and the guy gave me this one for free, and I kept it in package when I could have had the whole set in package and out of package. But, bruh, that's just being a kid. It's like, you can't look back and be like, hey, I should have done that. It's like, oh, so dumb. If using that logic, these guys were on sale for $15 each at Toys R Us when I was a kid, and I bought one, and for some reason I didn't buy the Brachiosaurus, and I'm kicking myself over that because it's like so rare now and it's so beautiful. Oh, so dumb. Could have bought the whole lineup of this too, but no, I'll just end up tracking it down for a crazy amount of money. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.